Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Epidemic Sound app for your PC or Mac. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and once you're in here, just type down epidemicsound.com. Alright. Again, epidemicsound.com, and then just hit on enter. Log in with your account, and then once done, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on apps. And then in here, you can go ahead and choose to download the Windows app or the Mac OS app. Okay, so for this example, let's just go ahead and use Windows. Now click on download for Windows right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, save the installer wherever you want. Click on save. Wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, just click on it to open up the installer. You can now then go ahead and close the browser if you want to. And as you can see here, the application is now trying to open. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and then log in with your Epidemic Sound account. Once logged in, you are now free to download whatever you want from here. Okay, and that's how easy it is to install the Epidemic Sound software. Now, if you want to know how to download the plugin for DaVinci and Premiere, go ahead and check our channel out. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.